Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing our final chapter in the book. It's capacity and it's page 176, topic 28, Planet Maths. And as you can see guys, the usual, we have our warm up, listen to the teacher. So I want you to tell me what is the most accurate for the capacity of each of the following. So let's look at our teaspoon. Would that be 5 litre capacity, 5 milliliter capacity, or 0.5 litres? Yes, 5 milliliters, and we've done that so many times before. Look at your mug. Is it 200 mils, 2 litres, or 200 litres? Yes, we've done that before, 200 mils. Sometimes we say 250, but that's a very large mug. 3, a large bottle of water. Is that 2 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 2 litres? So a very large bottle of water. Yes, 2 litres, you have 2 litre bottle. And the petrol tank of a family car, would that be 600 millilitres, 600 litres, or 60 litres? Yes, 60 litres, well done. And your bath, would it be 250 millilitres, 25 litres, or 250 litres? And the answer to that is yes, 25 litres. And shampoo used to wash your hair would be 0.5 litres, 5 milliliters, or 5 litres. And it from the way my lads use it, it is 5 litres, but in actual fact it is 5 milliliters. And that is the truth, guys. They nearly use over a bottle each time in their hair. Bucket, is that 50 milliliters, 500 milliliters, or 5 litres? Okay, and that's yes, 5 litres. And a drop of water, is that a drop now, guys? Is that 0.5 milliliters, 5 milliliters, or 5 litres? And if it's a drop, it is not a teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters, so it is 0.5 mils. Very good. And these are units of measurement for measuring instruments. Discuss which instruments and units would be suitable to measure the capacity of each of the following objects. So what would you fill a tank with? And does it say them? Discuss the suitability of each items as measuring instruments. So we have a tank, an egg cup, a flask. What is that? A spoon. What? I don't even know what that is. We have a graduated jug. Is it? Yes, I'm actually blind. And a bucket. So estimate and then measure the capacity of each of the following items. Which would you choose to measure? So guys, if you do this at home, it's kind of just real practical, where you have what instrument would you use in filling the sink, then estimate the capacity and in milliliters and litres and the actual, so estimate first, then your actual capacity, we've done this before, and see what the difference was between your estimation and the actual capacity. So then the kettle, a teaspoon, well, it's no point in doing the teaspoon, we know that now. Large saucepan, not your average one, your large one, your watering can, a glass, bucket, glass and cup, depends on the size of your glass, bucket, hot water cylinder, and a can of soup. So if you want to try those at home, so your measuring instrument you're going to use, your estimation in milliliters and litres, the actual capacity, and then what the difference was, so you subtract one from the other to see how near you were in your estimation. But it's very good in understanding capacity, guys, and how many milliliters or litres fill an object. Okay, now, so that's for your work today, and then I have also some revision work done on Planet Maths, but revision on percentages. So tonight I want you to do 1 and 2. So express the following pairs as percentages. So we have the pair 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 3 and 4, 1 and 5, and down to 7, 10. And you have to express it as a percentage. So it has to be 20%, 30%, 45%, etc. And then increase the following amounts by 10%. So this means when you increase it by 10, you must add it onto the total, and that will be your answer. Okay? So you don't just write in the increase. I want you to write to show the increase and also then the total once you increase it. So that's, you have to do 1 and 2 tonight, and the answers will be uploaded for you tomorrow, guys. Thanks a mil.